So we need to build chatbot. First of all, we need to visit this website called newoka.ai. So here I can build chatbot for our website, chatbot for lead generation, appointment book, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, for text, SMS, anything. So I like this website. You can see this website pricing. This is too much affordable price. So to build chatbot, first of all we need to visit. You need to create account. Then you create account. Then you can log in. Then you need to click my chatbot option. Here you can see I already created a chatbot. So I can show you from template. So I click on template. Here you can see the some template that you can use for your business, website, anything for social media. You can choose and create. So I don't want to create. I create from manual. I can show you how can you create from manual. So I create new chatbot. Here you can see the chatbot option. Here you can see you can upload text, PDF, docs, anything to upload here. You can train your chatbot. So here you can paste text and to train. You can use website, your site map to train. So I use now crawl option too. So I can copy this website URL and crawl the link of this website. So I can copy the URL of newoka.ai. I simply paste here and just click on fetch link. So the website is now fetching the link. To build chatbot, you can simply paste your own website. If you don't have any website, just paste your txt file. You upload a PDF doc to train. You can also use ChatGPT to build it. So I like the sitemap is submit a sitemap and enable AutoScience sitemap XML. So it can work when you update your content on website. So it can automatically update and train to our chatbot. So I like this feature. So you can add Q&A. So you simply need to type your question, what your prospect must asking, and you can simply add some basic questions. So I simply type who are you and just type answer of this. So I simply write assistance. You can add anything. You can what is the most repeated question, you just need to add. And now I can click on create chatbot. Now you can our chatbot is training now. So when it is 100% complete, our chatbot is successfully created. So build a chatbot is now very simple rather than previous. So our work is 50% done and now our chatbot is 50% created. Now we need to wait just a couple of minutes. So we need to add. I can't skip any code, any part, so you can understand fully. So we need to wait a couple of minutes. Now our work is simply done. Let's see and show you demo of our chatbot. So our work is done now. We need to patience. If your website is too big, it can take 5 to 10 minutes or later than long. This is only found 9 link. So it can train easily on 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Rather than now we can see about the chatbot is train. Now we can simply ask any question to get an answer from the chatbot. We simply type what is time now. So it can provide time. So you can see you can match time with my computer from answer. You can simply type how to build chatbot. Now we can give us answer. We can provide quality of data with chatbot. It can give answer of quality of answer. So we need to provide quality of data to get better answer. So you can see the answer. Now our work is done now. So we need to customize and integrate chatbot in this platform. So you can try in your way. So I can make a lot of videos you can use. So I now I can customize our chatbot. So I go on setting, and you can now I can rename our chatbot. What is the name? So I simply type new chatbot. You can just need what is the purpose. So here you can see what is the prompt we can give chatbot. So we simply type. We can use ChatGPT to generate it. So I don't use ChatGPT now. I simply fill for demo purpose to show you. So I simply write we are adjusting or AI assistant, that is great for me. You can what is the build for your purpose. You can use ChatGPT to generate a full prompt. You can add an error message. What is the model you can use? I like Cloud 3.7 Sonnet, but it is highly costly, so I don't use. I simply use this GPT 4.1 mini, or you can use GPT 4.5. Anything you can use. DeepSeek is also low cost, so I use GPT only. You can maintain temperature for creative answer. So now I can click on AI action. So you if you are running any e-commerce website, anything that need to API to give fetch answer, so you can add. This is the great feature. I like that. If you are any e-commerce company, you can fetch data from your website, anything. Your CRM, you can just simply add this option. You need answer from anything from above. For current data, we can add. So now we can customize our chatbot. How can it look like? So we simply we visit on chat interface. So this is the above message that you can show. What is the suggested message that I can show our prospect when he and she click in chatbot. So we can simply type how can I help you, sir? So I simply type how can I help you. You can type anything, or you can add multiple of this. Here you can see the bottom, or you can upload light color, choose any CS, shadow, anything. You can upload the icon. You can customize in your. If you try, you can understand better way. If you can't try, you can understand that much. So you just need to do the work. So you can paste your website link. So I simply click on you. Here you can see the social media link from the bottom of the chatbot. We simply need to just paste the link. It can automatically show in our chatbot, in our website chatbot. It can't show in our messenger, anything, WhatsApp. We can integrate. So we need to visit our security option. So we can add this for a civic website. We can, if anybody can copy, that website doesn't work. So we can limit 20 messages every 240 seconds. If we get more requests, this chatbot can't answer that. So this is the best option to protect spam. So now we need to visit domain option. So I simply click here. You can add your custom domain, and you need to update your CNAME record. So now we can build voice AI with this chatbot. So visit voice AI and enable a web voice call. Here you can see this look like in our website, same look. So talk to an AI, simply you can click on AI call. You can simply need allow, and you can talk. So you can listen the voice. So I can simply talk and ask question. You can see the answer. So how can you can try in your way? You simply need to visit voice and ask some question regarding your topic. So can't show you anything. So here you can see, simply ask the question. It can give answer from ChatGPT, and the software can speak and give the answer. That is the simple thing that can use this chatbot feature. So I just ask some question, basic question, and this give us answer. You simply need to build and try it in your accounting. So if this can fit you can try. Yeah, that's simple. If you like it, you can use it. But it can cost high using AI agent. You can see the pricing option of AI chatbot. I don't use this feature yet. Talk to an AI agent. If you like it, you can try it, or you can use anything, or you can customize your voice prompt from here to give a role to chat voice AI agent. What is the role of when the prospect asks? So you can customize or use ChatGPT. You can add a voice duration, how much what is the model you can use, what is the prompt you can use, anything you just need to use. You just need to try it. And here you can see embed on site and just click on voice and copy this and embed in your website. That's simple. Enable live chat to see what is the prospect talking to in, and you can see in live. So I can't do build now. You can build for your. So you just need to enter it below voice AI to work. This is the voice call I can do now. I can talk to. You need to call transfer. You need to upgrade to premium. So I'm now on a free plan now. Something I need to check it. You can try in your way. So this is a great feature. You can use it. Or you simply need to do the work. It can work. You can simply integrate in your website. So that is in this video. So I can tell you in some setting you can use. You can enable live chat, so you can add your team member to show. So I can try again this AI call mode and show you some demo. But you can't listen. I can just mute this part and record in myself. I can remove video of this for educational purpose. You can try. That's okay. Bye bye. Tata.